Hey guys, I have an exciting little video today because this is a very long overdue giveaway. I have been planning this giveaway for such a long time and it's finally here. I have put together a little treasure box of things that I would like to give away to one of my viewers. So I'm just going to show you what's in here. It is a vintage tin full of supplies. So first of all, there is a vintage linen. It's an embroidery piece, and then we have this little sewn pocket, and in this pocket there is a really cute little pair of scissors. They're just so pretty, I couldn't resist these little scissors. There is also a little wax seal kit, so some wax sticks, a spoon and a stamp. Then we have a couple of rolls of thread and a little thing full of needles for binding. 2 rolls of washi tape. These are from Washi Wednesday. They have supplied these for the giveaway. I will link their store down below, but they let me pick 2 of my very favorite tapes. Then I have a variety of vintage ephemera. So I have this little pocket full of stamps, and there's a slide, just various items into different little pockets. There's a library card here with a few vintage bits and pieces as well, so playing cards and flashcards and random bits and pieces. There's another little pocket here that has some vintage photos. So I've got a lot of this stuff from my own vintage stash and just put it all together to try and make like a kit that you could use in your paper crafts, whether it's journaling, making journals, happy mail. Next I have this little CD case which has some paper doll pieces in it. So some little clip outs, a couple of little dolls and their clothing. Then I have some postcards and a guest check and an envelope, just some random vintage pieces you can use. There's also a couple of extra envelopes and writing pieces. So some vintage pieces of paper that you can write on. I also included a little pocket full of some vintage linens. This is one of my most recent packs, and I printed these out on sticker paper for you so you can just peel and stick them into your journals. And lastly, I have a copy of the pages from our journal zine. This is not a misprint, this is a proper copy. I think I'll also add a misprint copy in there too though, so you have one to keep and one to cut apart. So that is the little giveaway, you guys. This is open internationally, so you can all enter. All you have to do is leave me a comment down below. I want to say a huge thank you to each and every one of you, especially those of you who are continuously leaving me kind messages and comments and supporting my channel by watching all my videos. You really don't go unnoticed, even if I don't get around to replying to every single one of you. But yeah, good luck. All the details will be in the description box. I hope you guys are all doing really well, and I will see you in my next video.